Hi everybody, my name is Dalton, otherwise known as the instructor. I will be showing you how to check your missing fuel tank cap. Here we go. My wheel is stuck, safe and secure. My cap is tight, no crack, no damage, it's not missing, safe and secure. The fasteners, all my fasteners for the strap is tight, safe and secure. My straps, they're tight, no crack, no damage, safe and secure. My steps, they're tight, no crack, no damage, safe and secure. The side of the tank has no crack, no damage, no leak, no dripping. No crack, no damage, no leak, no dripping. This side, no crack, no damage, no leak, no dripping. Under the bottom of the tank, no crack, no damage, no leak, no dripping. I will be checking my fuel line. Here we go now. My fuel line, no dripping, no dripping, no dripping, no dripping, no dripping. Fuel line, no dripping, no dripping, no dripping, no dripping, no dripping, no dripping. My fuel line, no dripping, no dripping, no dripping, no dripping. Fuel line, no dripping, no dripping. Safe and secure. My cap is tight, not missing, no crack, no damage, safe and secure. My fasteners, all my fasteners for the strap are tight, safe and secure. My straps, they're tight, no crack, no damage, safe and secure. The side of the tank, no crack, no damage, safe and secure. The side of the tank, no crack, no damage, no leaking, no dripping. Side of the tank, no crack, no damage, no leaking, no dripping. Under the bottom of the tank, there's no crack, no damage, no leaking, no dripping. Safe and secure. Please like, share, subscribe. See you soon. I'm out of here.